Hi there, how you doing? Welcome to Adventures in Jennyland. Today's video is going to be talking about our Yellowstone camp setup and also all the shenanigans that we get into in general. So let's get started.
Oh, here the ocean is near, but you don't.
We left Cody, Wyoming in the early afternoon because we slept in a little bit and started heading up towards Yellowstone. It had apparently snowed in the park that morning, so we were hoping that it had melted so we wouldn't have to set up in the snow because that sucks. It was raining almost the entire drive there. After about an hour and a half, we made it to the gate.
Live at Yellowstone National Park.
Alright, $35. $35. Hi, how you doing? Good.
After we paid at the gate, we drove for another 2 hours because two of the main roads are closed in Yellowstone for this season. So we did the roundabout way. We went around Yellowstone Lake, which ended up being pretty awesome. Then it was time to unpack the car. We kind of have our camping setup down to a science. First, we like to put up the kitchen canopy. This is important because there was a possibility for rain that day, and we could use it for shelter if we needed to. Next came the tent. We use the Extreme 3 by Alps Mountaineering, and it allows for a really easy tent setup. I will link it in the description below. There are only 3 poles, so even one person could set it up by themselves. We lay down a very thick piece of plastic for the footprint. We prefer to use that over the footprint that comes with the tent. That's just our personal preference. The Fly provides 2 vestibules that we can store things in to keep dry, like we keep our suitcase in there and we keep our shoes.
Kind of secluded. I mean, you can see other people, but nothing crazy. And then we walk down to our little kitchen area and our fire area. So let's take a look-see, shall we? And we've got Goran over here building our eternal flame. Say hello.
Hello. Building a little fire action here.
I like the site because it's wooded. It's kind of secluded, but then look, you can go all the way back there to the tent. All right, we're gonna get this fire a-going. Aye, aye, Captain? Indubitably.
Goran is the absolute fire master. I know how to make fires pretty well myself, but he just, he's like a fire whisperer. He just gets that fire started like that.
All right, so we are trying to decide what we are going to do for dinner. We'll do burgers, we'll do some grilled vegetables, we'll put some cheddar on the burgers, and
That's all we need.
I think that's all we need.
Onions, peppers. I might put an egg on my burger.
Oh, putting an egg on the burgers, yes. All right, I think that's what we're gonna do. For the other stuff we can, or we can just watch Goran. Does that knife suck?
Yep.
Oh yeah, thanks. Oh yeah. Fire's looking good.
It's feeling good. Mighty cold out here today.
Yeah, what's the temp?
Cold as I don't know, it's like 35. Can't be that cold already. No. It's like 40 maybe? No, it says 37.
It was so cold the first night. It got down to probably like 25 degrees. And our dumbasses had only brought blankets, not sleeping bags. Well, we brought a couple sleeping bags, but they were to lay down and provide padding over our pads. So that was a rookie mistake. We definitely won't be doing that again. We tried to cuddle, but neither of us are really cuddlers. So we only did that for about 30 minutes and we were like, ah, gotta get away from each other. So we just froze our asses off the first night and didn't really sleep much, but that was okay because the next day we were heading over to the Old Faithful Geyser Basin. It is the most popular site at Yellowstone, so we decided to get it done the first day so we could move on to other things. We are not really people persons, whatever. We don't like being around people that much, so we figured if we got Old Faithful done the first day, then we could just, smooth sailing from there. So next week's video will be all about the Old Faithful Geyser Basin. There's a lot going on there, and we got some really amazing video. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit that subscribe button right below so that you can be notified whenever we post a new video. And we like to post a new fresh video for you every week, so stay tuned.